Hello my dears. In the previous class we were discussing the chapter integers. Today we can discuss question number 2 of the exercise 1.4. Question number 2 says that verify that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values a, b and c. Here we have two questions. A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 2 is the first set of ABC values. First we are going to find the LHS of this equation. So LHS equal to, LHS means left hand side of this, LHS equal to A divided by B plus C equal to, substitute the value of A, B and C. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 equal to 12 divided by, what is the value inside this bracket? Minus 4 plus 2. Use the rule for addition of integers, that is minus 2. So answer will be 12 divided by 2 is 6. Positive divided by negative, negative. So negative 6 is the answer of LHS. Now we are going to find the RHS. RHS equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C equal to, substitute the value of A, B and C. A equal to 12. So 12 divided by B is minus 4. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by, what is the value of C? 2. Equal to 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3 plus 12 divided by 2, 6. Equal to 3. From this we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say that for the given A, B and C, this statement is true. That means A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Next we can go through question number B. In the same way, LHS equal to A divided by B plus C equal to minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1 equal to minus 10 divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2, 5, minus divided by plus, minus. So minus 5 is the answer. Then RHS equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C equal to minus 10. Substitute A minus 10 divided by 1, that is the value of B, plus minus 10 divided by 1. Again C is also 1. So minus 10 divided by 1, 10, then minus, plus minus 10 divided by 1, minus 10 itself, equal to minus 20. Here LHS is minus 5, RHS is minus 20. Definitely we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. That means for the given values A, B and C, we can say that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Are you familiar with this type of writing? Have you ever seen it before? See, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Do you remember this? Do you remember this equation? This is distributive property of integers. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this question, definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Maths Ninjas.